Hello and welcome back to EnergyVue. In today's quick tutorial, we're going to take you through the process of how to add an asset to EnergyVue. So we're here at the landing page and we've just logged in. You can see that we've got two existing groups, one for hydro and one for wind. So we're going to take you through the process of adding another wind group and asset directly into the system. You'll see over here on the left hand side, we've got an add an asset option. If I select that, it brings up this menu to add a new. So this will give you options currently for wind, solar, hydro, energy storage systems and custom. However, we can add additional asset types directly to the system. These groupings allow us to segregate the data models, which means that you can have your own data models per asset, and it allows you to save the configurations accordingly directly to your instance of EnergyVue. So for today, I'm going to select wind. I'm going to add a new group directly. If you already had a group created and you were adding an asset to a group, you could hit add an asset. But for the purpose of today's video, I'm going to add a new group and add a new asset. So if I select add new group, it pops up this menu. I'm going to select the ID and I'm going to give it a name. I'm going to select the operator directly, set that as an offshore asset. I'm going to select the longitude and latitude. And for the purpose of this video, I'm going to leave this additional metadata blank. If I then go to save and add assets, this will then directly take me to the add an asset page. I'm going to type out my details for my asset. I'm going to give it a name here. You'll see it's automatically defined the asset type, so automatically assigned it to the group that we just created. I'm going to select the data model. I'm again going to add my longitude and latitude. I'm going to select the commission date. And for the purpose of this video, I'm going to leave the rest of this data blank. This is configurable data, so you can have additional reference data added to the system, which is available via APIs directly. So I'm going to now save this asset. That will then save that directly to the system, and you'll notice that the EnergyVue Edge option is now selectable. So if I select that, that's directly connecting to our Edge instance, which basically allows me to see the data sources that are available. So for the purpose of this, I'm going to select NGData again, similar to the previous video. You'll see that this is currently unmapped. I'm going to select one of our filters, which will automatically then map this data accordingly. You'll see that's all turned green. So again, in this instance, you've already set your Edge instance up, and you've got your data streaming into the system, and we're just connecting this asset directly to that energy source. So I'll show you in a future video how you can set up that direct Edge instance as well. I'm going to go ahead and hit save. That's then mapped the data accordingly to that asset, and you'll notice now, if I go back to our main view, you can see that the asset has been added. If I select that asset, that will show you the turbine that's been added as well to the system. If I select that turbine and go to view dashboard, that will launch the default wind dashboard, and you'll see that the data has now been populated into that asset directly. So this, as time goes by, the data will update. You'll get the historical data there that's available in the system, and all these charts will update. So that's how you add an asset to the system. So thank you very much for watching today's tutorial. If you have any questions, please contact us via LinkedIn or visit our website at www.energyvue.com. Thank you very much.